It's so dark. I can hardly see anything. I'm starting to feel a little scared.
Hey, Miss Tab. How's it going?
Hello there, Lenny. Thank goodness you're here. I can't see very well in the dark, and my imagination was starting to think of some scary things. Can you use your light to help us see a little better in the darkness?
Absolutely. What a bright idea.
Wow, look where we are, Lenny.
A giant washing machine.
It's a cave.
A cave.
Let's take a look around. Lenny, I don't think we're alone here in this cave.
Oh, that's so sweet, Miss Tab. I also feel less alone when I'm with you.
I was talking about all of those eyes up there. They could be anything. Monsters, dragons. You know what? Before my imagination goes too far, why don't we shine some light and see what's really there?
Way ahead of you, and slightly above. Look, Miss Tab, it's beans!
Those are bats.
Bats! Holding carrots!
Those are baseball bats.
So they're bats with bats.
Looks like it. Well, hello there, bats. I'm Miss Tab. Are you playing a game up there?
We are. We're playing bat ball.
Hey, batter, swing, batter.
And we're back, folks. It's a beautiful day for bat ball here at Wingley Field. All right, pitcher takes the mound, winds up, and... Cover me in crickets! It's a roof ball to the upper field! A home run! Wow!
Look how much fun they're having, Lenny. I can't believe I was afraid before when I couldn't see what was happening in the dark.
Happens all the time, but we actually like it in the dark.
Yeah, we're nocturnal, which means we sleep in the daytime and we're awake at night. This dark cave helps us sleep even when the sun is shining outside.
That's amazing. Well, enjoy the rest of your game. We're going to keep exploring.
We will. Bye, Lenny. Bye, Miss Tab.
Hey, all you bats, it's time for the 5th inning flap.
Oh, my goodness, Lenny. What could those be? Oh, are they glow-in-the-dark snakes or giant worms? Okay, before I scare myself, let's shine some light and find out.
Brilliant plan, Miss Tab. Whoa. It's space spaghetti.
Salamanders.
Salamanders!
Hello there, salamanders. I'm Miss Tab. What are you doing with those pool noodles?
We're playing Whack-A-Mander! Salamanders like us love the dark. So instead of playing games we can see, we play games we can feel.
Want to join us? It's fun!
1 point for me!
1 point for me!
2 points for me!
2 points for me!
3 points for me!
Wow, that does look like fun. But I think we're going to keep exploring. Maybe another time.
It's okay. You can noodle about it and get back to us.
I can't believe I thought those salamanders were scary at first. My imagination was playing tricks on me again. Let's keep exploring. Uh-oh, Lenny. What could that be? A lion? A big, scary giant?
Only one way to find out, Miss Tab. Let's light it up. It's a popcorn machine!
I think it's a bear with a toothbrush, Lenny.
A bear with a toothbrush!
Oh, that's right. I guess we see something new every day. Well, hello there, Miss Bear. I'm Miss Tab, and this is my friend Lenny the Lightning Bug.
Hi, Miss Tab. Hi, Lenny. I'm sorry for screaming. You two scared me a little.
No need to apologize. Being scared is perfectly okay. Plus, we wandered into your cave.
Sorry about that, by the way.
Oh, it's no trouble at all.
I guess everyone really does get scared sometimes, even bears. Miss Bear, can we ask what you're doing here in the dark?
Of course. My dentist, Dr. Grills, says it's important to brush my teeth before I hibernate.
What does hibernate mean?
Well, that means she rests all through the winter until spring comes. Good idea, Miss Bear. If you didn't brush your teeth until springtime, you'd have some very stinky breath.
Oh, you have no idea. It's unbearable.
The sun's coming up. Look how beautiful the cave looks now. It seems almost silly how afraid I was. Sometimes what we imagine can be scarier than what's actually there. But if we shine a little light and take a closer look, it can help us understand and feel better. It can also help to talk about feeling scared with someone we love. Like you, Lenny, I'm glad you're here.
Me too, Miss Tab. Me too.
Wow, look where our imagination took us today. We're on a blind unicorn named Corny.
Whee! Whoa! I'm okay.
Hello there, Lenny. This is one of my best friends, Lenny the Lightning Bug. Lenny, meet my new friend, Corny.
Hello, Lenny.
Hey, Miss Tab. Hi, Corny. Cool wings. How do I get mine sparkly?
Just put a little magic on them.
I love it. Wait, I need a horn. We're like twins.
You are. Now let's find some animals that might make good pets.
Look, Miss Tab, fuzzy crayons.
Those are wolves.
Wolves. Let's give them a warm hug.
Actually, let's give them some space. Wolves are beautiful, but they don't make very good pets. They're wild, which means they need lots of space to roam and run free with their pack.
What's a pack?
A pack is a group of wolves who are all friends.
Whoa! A Yeti!
It's a St. Bernard dog.
A St. Bernard dog!
Thank you for rescuing me, Bernard. That's a good boy, Bernard. Oh, Bernard.
That dog helped dig that hiker out of the snow. Twice!
Dogs make great pets, and they can even help us get out of trouble.
Incredible! No wonder they call dogs the lightning bug's best friend after batteries.
Can we keep exploring? My horn is starting to freeze.
Look where we are, Miss Tab. Inside someone's hair.
A jungle, Lenny.
A jungle!
Wow, a tiger. Tigers are a very special type of big cat, but they don't make very good pets. They're also wild animals and are endangered.
What does endangered mean?
It means there aren't very many of them, so we have to keep them protected.
Miss Tab, can we keep exploring? There are a lot of mosquitoes in the jungle, and when I get a mosquito bite, my light does a thing. That's the thing!
Corny, let's get Lenny out of here. Now, that type of cat makes a much better pet than a tiger. It's small enough to live indoors.
And probably eats much less fish.
Speaking of fish, it's time to set sail for the sea.
Miss Tab, look! Water chickens!
Those are dolphins, Lenny.
Dolphins!
Dolphins are smart and beautiful, but they don't make great pets. They need to live in the ocean with lots of space to swim, play, and talk with their dolphin friends.
So he says to Marjorie, says if you take the coupons at the cashier, you'll be able to get a full discount. But it's self-checkout. You'll never get the discount.
I had no idea that dolphins love a deal.
Hey, that's my dog, Blackie. He's a good dog and makes me very happy. So I invited him to be a part of my family. Wow, look at this place. So many fun colors and sounds.
Hey, Miss Tab!
Well, hello there, Lenny. This is one of my good friends, Lenny the Lightning Bug. Lenny, are you all right?
I'm great. That's the fastest I've gone since I was a larva.
Look where we are, Lenny.
A skateboard factory.
It's a balloon city.
A balloon city.
Can I share a secret with you, Lenny?
Yes! I'm the best secret keeper ever, except that one time, and all the other times.
I love balloons. They're bright, colorful, come in all shapes and sizes, and can fly in the air like a bird. Let's go explore. You ready?
Ready!
Sometimes it's hard to share the things that we love. But here it looks like everyone loves sharing.
Come on, Oz, let's go home. It's time to watch my stories.
Miss look super happy sharing those goldfish.
You mean trains?
Trains!
You can't play with all your toys at once, so it's nice to let others play with the toys you're not using. Then they can let you play with theirs as well. Look at what their mother is holding, Lenny.
A television.
It's a baby.
A baby.
We can even share our parents.
Huh? How do we share our parents?
Well, Lenny, sometimes we have to share the time with our parents, with our brother or sister.
Mylar, Vinyl, your grandma and grandpa have come to visit. Is it okay if they share their room with you?
Yay!
It's more than okay. It's great.
Did you hear that, Lenny? They're going to share their room with their grandparents. Sharing your room is another kind of sharing.
Ooh, cheese fries.
It's a bus, Lenny.
A bus.
Okay, everyone, let's get on the bus. It's time to go to the park for Helium's birthday party. Make sure to put on your sunscreen, dear. I don't want you to pop.
Excuse me, coming through.
Oh, pardon me.
No problem.
May I share this seat with you?
Of course.
Those people are giving each other plenty of space on this crowded bus. Sharing our personal space is another type of sharing. Look, Lenny.
An airport.
It's a birthday party.
A birthday party.
Celebrating special moments together is another wonderful type of sharing. Come on, Lenny. It looks like there are many ways to share the things we love, like toys, our family, and special moments with the people in our lives. Now we know some different ways of sharing. This looks like the perfect place to try new things together.
Round and round she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. Woo-hoo!
Hello there, Lenny. Down here.
Oh, hey, Miss Tab.
Would you look at where we are?
On a tugboat.
At a carnival.
At a carnival.
The Apple Pickle Pie Carnival. What an unusual name that is.
Could be a family name.
Tickets. Get your tickets here. Tickets.
Thank you, Mr. Pickle Person. Here it is again. But this time it says, Apple Pickle Pie. I'm gonna try. I wonder what that means.
Maybe we'll figure it out once we go inside. Well, I think we figured it out.
Wow! Look, Lenny.
It's a helicopter.
I think it's an apple pickle pie slide.
A pie slide.
Should we go on it?
I don't know. I've never been on such a tall, fast slide before. I'm feeling a little worried about trying it.
You know, maybe if we try saying something silly like, apple pickle pie, I'm gonna try. When we're trying new things, it can help us have more fun.
Great idea, Miss Tab. Let's try it.
Ready?
Apple pickle pie.
I'm gonna try. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun, Lenny. I'm so glad we tried.
Me too, Miss Tab. I'm not sure why, but I'm super hungry for pie.
We'll get some soon. But first, let's go see what other fun things there are to try.
Casserole!
It's a roller coaster.
A roller coaster! What's wrong, Miss Tab?
Well, remember how you were worried about the slide? I'm worried about this roller coaster. I like trying new things, but this looks a little scary. They do look like they're having fun, though. I guess I could give it a try. Hey! Let's apple pickle pie it.
Let's do it, Miss Tab.
Apple pickle pie.
I'm gonna try.
Oh, well, now I know it is fun.
Look, Miss Tab, a lawnmower.
That's a Ferris wheel.
A Ferris wheel.
It's very tall.
That's higher than the roller coaster. Wait a minute. Let's do it, Miss Tab.
Apple pickle pie. I'm gonna try. Wow, Lenny. From up here, we can see the entire carnival. There are so many new themes. I can't wait to try them all.
Me too. Hey, here's something new we can try right now.
What's that?
It's an apple pickle pie. I picked it up on the way over. Yum, yum, yum.
How is it?
Appley, pickly, weirdly delicious.
It looks like it. This carnival really helped us discover how we try new things. Look, we're in the land of toys. This looks like a great place to find out about winning and losing. Look, it's a toy bear in a flying shoe. And that headlight looks familiar. It's my good friend Lenny the Lightning Bug. Well, hello there, Lenny.
Hey, Miss Tab. Meet my friend Tommy.
Well, hello there, Tommy.
Nice to meet you, Miss Tab. You're just in time for the toy games.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Look, Miss Tab, oatmeal.
It's a swimming pool.
A swimming pool. I love swimming, but it takes my wings 7 hours to dry, so it's a commitment.
Up first will be Patty the scuba diver competing against Bud the bulldozer in a swimming race. On your marks, get set, go! Patty's off to an early lead while Bud is right behind him. And the winner is Patty!
Good job, Patty. How did it feel to win?
Flippertastic! Good race, bud.
Thanks, Patty. Even though I lost, I give it 2 scoops way up.
You're happy even though you lost?
Sure am. I went a lot faster than I thought I would. I've dug a pool before, but I've never swam in one.
If that was your first time swimming, then you did very well.
Hop aboard. It's time for the next game.
Wait for me!
Don't forget to buckle your laces.
Look, Miss Tab, a magic carpet.
A racetrack, Lenny.
A racetrack.
Up next is a running race. It's Patty against Daisy the flower. On your marks, get set, go!
Pedals to the metal!
Look at Daisy go.
And look at Patty not go.
Well, he's just moving very slowly, but he's trying very hard.
Patty, 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 patty.
The winner is Daisy!
Good job, Daisy. And Patty, way to go. How do you feel?
I didn't win, so I'm a little frustrated, but I had fun, and that's what matters.
Time for the third and final game!
Wow, we're in a parking lot for a hamster.
It's a jungle gym, Lenny.
A jungle gym!
The final game is weightlifting. Whoever lifts the heaviest rock wins.
I'm nervous. I've never lifted something heavy over my head.
On your marks, get set, lift!
Use your flower power, Daisy.
I'm doing it! Everything's coming up daisies!
It's all the way over your head.
I did it! But you lifted a lot more. That means I lost.
The winner is Bud!
How do you feel, Daisy?
Sad. I wanted to win, but I got the rock all the way over my head, which I've never done before, and that made me feel better. Good games, everyone!
Lenny, did you see how Bud, Daisy, and Patty felt when they won and how they felt when they lost?
Yeah, sometimes they were happy and sometimes they were sad.
But they were all still nice to one another even when they lost. You know what that's called?
Pudding!
It's called being a good sport.
Being a good sport.
If we yell and get angry, that's called being a bad sport. We want to be a good sport, so we thank people for playing with us, even if they won, because they took time to have fun with us.